Cybersecurity refers to the practice of protecting computer systems, networks, and data from unauthorized access, theft, damage, or disruption. With the increasing reliance on technology and the interconnectedness of digital systems, cybersecurity has become a critical concern for individuals, organizations, and governments. The primary goal of cybersecurity is to prevent unauthorized access to sensitive information and to mitigate the risks associated with cyber threats. These threats can come in various forms, including 1. Malware, malicious software such as viruses, worms, ransomware, and spyware that can infect systems and compromise data integrity, privacy, or availability. 2. Phishing, deceptive techniques used to trick individuals into revealing sensitive information, such as usernames, passwords, or financial details, through fraudulent emails, websites, or messages. 3. Social engineering, manipulation of human psychology to deceive individuals into divulging confidential information or performing certain actions that benefit the attacker. 4. Data breaches, unauthorized access to sensitive data, resulting in its theft, disclosure, or misuse. Data breaches can have severe consequences for individuals and organizations, leading to financial loss, reputational damage, and legal implications. 5. Denial of service, DOS, attacks, deliberate attempts to overload or disrupt computer systems, networks, or services, making them unavailable to legitimate users. To address these and other cybersecurity threats, various measures and best practices are employed. These include 1. Strong passwords, using unique, complex, and regularly updated passwords for all accounts and systems. 2. Multi-factor authentication, MFA, implementing an additional layer of security by requiring multiple forms of verification, such as passwords, biometrics, or security tokens. 3. Firewalls and intrusion detection systems, IDS, deploying network security devices and software to monitor and control incoming and outgoing network traffic, detecting and blocking potential threats. 4. Regular software updates and patching, keeping software, operating systems, and applications up to date with the latest security patches to address vulnerabilities. 5. Security awareness training, educating individuals about common cybersecurity threats, safe online practices, and how to identify and respond to potential risks. 6. Encryption, protecting sensitive data by converting it into an unreadable format using encryption algorithms, ensuring its confidentiality even if intercepted. 7. Incident response and disaster recovery planning, developing plans and procedures to respond to and recover from cybersecurity incidents, minimizing the impact on business operations. 8. Cybersecurity policies and procedures, establishing clear guidelines and protocols for employees, including acceptable use policies, data handling procedures, and incident reporting mechanisms. Cybersecurity is an ongoing process that requires constant vigilance as cyber threats continue to evolve and become more sophisticated. It is important for individuals and organizations to stay informed about emerging threats, regularly update their security practices, and employ a comprehensive approach to protect their digital assets and information.